Muscle cars represent the heart and soul of American car culture. They embody brute power, bold styling, and the pursuit of speed. This list dives deep into the legends that defined the muscle car era, exploring what made them unforgettable and why they still capture our imaginations. 1. 1964 Pontiac GTO, the pioneer of muscle. The Pontiac GTO wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. Dubbed the grandfather of muscle cars, the GTO emerged in an era when mid-size cars with massive engines weren't standard. Pontiac's engineers snuck a 389 cubic inch V8 engine into their Tempest and launched the GTO as an option package. With 348 horsepower, it was a rocket for its time. What set the GTO apart was its marketing. It appealed directly to a younger audience, leveraging performance and pop culture. Its affordability combined with power created a formula that sparked the muscle car craze. Over 32,000 units sold in its first year cemented its place in history. 2. 1969 Dodge Charger R/T, pure American power with its distinctive Coke bottle design and hidden headlights. The 1969 Dodge Charger R/T remains a cultural icon. But it wasn't just about looks. Under the hood lay a 440 Magnum V8 engine, producing 375 horsepower. The 426 Hemi option bumped that to a monstrous 425 horsepower, capable of dominating any drag strip. The Charger's fame skyrocketed thanks to Hollywood, starring as the General Lee in The Dukes of Hazzard. The combination of raw power, unique design, and screen presence made the Charger R/T synonymous with American muscle. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 LS6, the king of power. The 1970 Chevelle 454 LS6 is widely regarded as one of the most powerful muscle cars ever produced. With a 7.4-liter V8 engine rated at an astonishing 450 horsepower, it pushed the limits of what was possible in a production car. This beast could do 0–60 miles per hour in around 5.4 seconds, rivaling modern performance cars. Beyond performance, the Chevelle 454 LS6 was a statement of dominance. Its muscular stance, hood scoop, and racing stripes left no doubt that it was built for speed. Today, pristine examples of this car fetch hundreds of thousands of dollars at auction, a testament to its legacy. 5. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi, the rare beast. The Plymouth Barracuda Hemi, particularly the 1970 model, is the stuff of legend. Equipped with Chrysler's legendary 426 Hemi engine, it churned out 425 horsepower and dominated the quarter mile. The Barracuda, or CUDA, as it's affectionately called, also stood out for its aggressive styling and optional shaker hood scoop. The Hemi CUDA's rarity adds to its mystique. Only a few hundred were produced, making it a holy grail for collectors today. At auctions, pristine examples of the Hemi CUDA can sell for millions. 6. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 Race-Ready Performance. The 1969 Camaro ZL1 was Chevrolet's secret weapon. Built as a factory drag racer, it came equipped with an all-aluminum 427 cubic inch V8 engine producing 430 horsepower. However, many believe the true output was closer to 500 horsepower. Chevrolet only produced 69 ZL1s, making it one of the rarest muscle cars ever made. Its lightweight engine and brutal power made it a favorite on the drag strip, but its limited production means it's mostly seen in museums or private collections today. 7. 1971 Dodge Challenger R/T 426 Hemi, muscle icon. The Dodge Challenger R/T 426 Hemi represented the pinnacle of moper muscle. With its long hood, wide stance, and iconic grille, the Challenger was a visual statement. The 426 Hemi engine under the hood was capable of 425 horsepower, making it a straight-line missile. The Challenger also offered versatility, with numerous performance and styling packages. Its combination of brute force and bold looks cemented its place as a muscle car legend, with the R/T 426 Hemi being the most desirable model. 8. 1970 Oldsmobile 442 watts 30, underrated brilliance. The Oldsmobile 442 watts 30 was often overshadowed by its GM siblings, but it was a force to be reckoned with. Its 455 cubic inch V8 engine produced 370 horsepower and a staggering 500 pounds-feet of torque. The W30 package added a functional ram air induction system, a lightweight aluminum intake manifold, and a hotter camshaft for even more performance. The 442 watts 30's balanced handling and straight-line performance made it one of the best muscle cars of its era. Despite its underdog status, it remains a favorite among enthusiasts for its understated style and brute strength. 9. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, a rare gem. The first-generation Pontiac Firebird Trans Am debuted in 1969 with a limited production run of just 697 units. It featured a high-output 400 cubic inch V8 engine that delivered 345 horsepower, making it a potent performer. The Trans Am stood out with its signature white paint and blue racing stripes. Its rarity and performance credentials have made it a highly coveted collector's car. While overshadowed by its Camaro sibling, the Trans Am carved its own path as a muscle car icon. 10. 1973 Buick GS Stage 1, the sleeper muscle car. The Buick GS Stage 1 was a wolf in sheep's clothing. Often mistaken for a standard luxury car, the Stage 1 packed a 455 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 360 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. What made the Stage 1 unique was its combination of comfort and performance. It could keep up with the best muscle cars while offering a smooth ride and a well-appointed interior. Its sleeper status makes it one of the most interesting muscle cars of all time. The muscle car era produced machines that weren't just vehicles, they were statements. They represented freedom, rebellion, and the pursuit of speed. These 10 muscle cars showcase the best of that era, combining raw power, innovative engineering, and cultural impact. Today, they serve as reminders of a time when horsepower ruled the road, and the only limit was the imagination of engineers and drivers alike.